Good morning students, I am Benil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Punjasli College of Engineering. So in this video class, I am going to teach you about types of derivation. So last video class I taught you what is grammar and what is derivation. Okay, so definition of derivation is you have to remember expanding the start symbol until given string is reached. Right, there is two types of derivation. One is leftmost derivation, and another one is rightmost derivation. Rightmost derivation. Clear? So leftmost derivation, that is represented by LM, leftmost derivation. Rightmost derivation, some term that is represented by RM. So LMD, the term LMD, leftmost derivation, and RMD. So however, they will ask this short form also. Explain RMD, that means leftmost derivation. Explain LMD, that is rightmost derivation. And LM and RM, that is called leftmost and rightmost derivation. Clear? So I am going to teach you how we will derive leftmost derivation. And before that, why we are studying this leftmost derivation and derivation, these things, you just remember when you are creating a programming language like C, C++, anything, this derivation is used to construct the language very easily and effectively. Clear? That is the thing we are going to study this derivations. And compiler design, next semester you will study compiler design. There we have a concept parser. That is compiler. For compiler, we will use this concept in the designing of compiler. Okay, derivation concept we will use there, programming language. So we will use the leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. Okay, right. So this is the question they are given. I have grammar E tends to E plus E slash E star E slash ID, and they are asking to construct leftmost derivation for ID plus ID star ID. First you can derive this derivation, you can derive, right? Okay, no problem, but I am asking leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. See, leftmost derivation means you have to derive the derivation variable from the leftmost variable itself. For example, if you have E tends to E plus E, okay, for example, you want to substitute the variable, this variable, from leftmost you want to substitute. Okay, you cannot substitute this. This is derivation, you can use anything. Here you can substitute the production, or here you can substitute the production, not an issue. But leftmost derivation, particularly they will ask, you have to substitute the variable for this variable, then this variable, like that you have to come from leftmost variable. Clear? So okay, we will derive this one, this by using leftmost derivation, LMD. Okay, so that's what I told you. This is the string they have given, and this is the grammar. From this grammar, we are going to derive the string. Okay. Okay. First we can the definition is expanding the start symbol. So no problem. E tends to, see here I have plus, here I have star. So I have to use this terms or this term, not a problem. So first I will use this term. Okay. E tends to E plus E. So E tends to E plus E. Okay. Then since it is the leftmost derivation, you have to write LM here. So the people or the programmer knows this is the leftmost derivation, LM. Okay. So since it is leftmost derivation, we have to derive this E or this E. This E. Because leftmost derivation, we have to come from leftmost variable. Okay. So this E I have to derive. So this E should be here, and plus I want to derive this E. So what is the term? ID plus ID star ID. So here plus comes, but again I need a star. So which variable I can derive? E tends to E plus E or E star E? E star E. Right? For this E, I am going to apply E star E. For this E, I am going to apply this production. That is E tends to E star E. This production I have derived. So I will get like this. Okay. So which term you derived, you can write here. So it is easy to understand. Right. Again, which variable you have to expand? This one or this one or this one? This one. Why? Because I told you, we have to derive, this is leftmost derivation. So we have to derive from leftmost one. Okay. So if you underline, this means a pencil or some highlighter, it is easy to evaluate. It is easy for evaluate. Okay. So this E only you have to expand. So E tends to E plus E. I have ID plus ID star ID. So for this E, which one I can use? E plus E star E or ID. This production I can use. U tends to ID. So star in this place I am going to use ID. So E tends to ID. Clear? E tends to ID. So this okay. This is the terminal. So no problem. Again I have to expand this variable. So grammar we are expanding only the variable. Clear? Because the grammar you have one variable. Right. So now E plus this E only I have to expand. So which one I can use for this E? See, ID plus ID star ID. So star ID I got. Again here ID. So E tends to ID is there. So I will put ID and star ID. So now this three terms I got it, right? Leftmost derivation. Again I have to expand this variable E. So E tends to, my answer is ID plus ID star ID. Something variable plus ID star ID I got it. So only this E I will get ID because I have production ID plus ID and star ID. Okay. Here I have used E tends to ID and here also I have used E tends to ID. So I got the answer. Okay. Since it is leftmost derivation, okay, I will write like this. So the conclusion is derivation also will get the answer, but I am going for leftmost derivation. So leftmost derivation we have to derive the variable from leftmost variable. See this one first, this one leftmost, this one. See this is the variable, this one, this variable. So I got the answer. Okay. Then what is rightmost derivation? The same thing. We have to derive the variable from rightmost variable. Clear? Okay. This you will take notes. Okay, or you will check my notes. No problem. Okay. Again see E tends to the same grammar. I am going to derive rightmost derivation. I am going to derive rightmost derivation. So E tends to E plus E I can take. If I take, see here you have to very clear. If I take E plus E, I cannot get answer. Okay, I will check it. If I take E tends to E plus E, I cannot get answer because see for this E tends to E plus E, I have plus and star. First I want to derive which one? This rightmost derivation because it is Rm. See this is wrong. Okay, I'm doing for understanding. I cannot take E plus E. Why? Because for this E I can apply E plus E or E star E or ID. If I apply E plus E again, E plus E, but I have star here, answer is star. Okay, or if I apply star here, E star E plus E, but my answer is plus and star. Okay, so surely I cannot take E tends to E plus E. I can take E tends to E star E first. Okay. So since I am going for rightmost derivation, I have to expand this rightmost variable. First this, see star I got it. So if I expand, I can use plus. So E plus E, for this E, I am going to apply E plus E. Clear? And here I have star and E. Okay. So this one is I have applied. Again which variable I want to apply? Leftmost variable. Sorry, rightmost variable. So this variable I want to apply. So this format I got it. Again E tends to ID I can apply. So ID plus E star E. Clear? So now E tends to, I applied ID. Again this okay I got it. Plus also got it. For this also I am going to apply ID star E. Okay, E tends to ID. And simply this also I am going to apply ID. So ID star ID. Now E tends to ID. So I got the answer. This is rightmost derivation. Rightmost derivation, rightmost derivation. Okay, very clear. Derivation also will get the same answer. We can do leftmost derivation and we can do rightmost derivation also. We'll get the same answer. Clear? Okay, thank you.